All right, so what are we installing today? I think some lights would be a good idea, and I know I had some other lights for the Corvette. Where are they? Oh, here they are. LED bulbs for the fog lights. Yep, there we go. All right, let's get busy. So this should be a very straightforward install. The lights, you literally just pop them out, the fronts and the backs, and you put in the new ones. Fog lights, some people will take off the inner fender. I'm gonna try to get through the bottom. Now these are already tinted, but I believe it's like a vinyl tint. It's so dark that you can't even see the light turn on. Now these lights that I got here, these are the ones with the LED strip. So this should be a pretty significant improvement, not only to the appearance, but just overall. It's just a much better, cleaner light. So let's get this babies installed. Already popped this one out, and this one looks like it had been repaired, or not really repaired, but the lights had been jammed in there with some sort of like double-sided tape, I guess, just so it could stick. But yeah, as you guys can tell, this is vinyl tint. They just wrapped it around it. That's kind of like what I did on the third brake light on the 6-speed Supra. So let's go to take this off. Make sure this clip doesn't break off on me. There we go. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. Oh yeah, just for anyone who's wondering, I got these, all 4 of them, on Amazon, and I got it with like this 15% off discount. So I think it was around $60-something for all 4. Working on cars and taking care of 3 dogs and 2 babies. All right, so you take this bulb out. We're supposed to connect this one here. All right, plug this in over here. Now let's hit the remote just to make sure this turns on. Hey, get away from that. Wait, oh, hell yeah. That looks really good. All right, let me put this back in there. Damn, that looks so good. I didn't expect it to look that nice. All right, so we put this in here, lock it in place, and we're supposed to just clip these in. Whoo-wee. Damn, that looks so clean. Oh man, oh crap, where's the light go?
Reach under on the little clips and pop them out. And there you go. Alright, this one just had one broken clip. Alright, unscrew that. There's this one. And take the bulb out. Hopefully not lose it this time. I found the other one. And connect these here.
Alright, then we're gonna press these in here. Boom. And there we go. There you go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But these fog lights look very yellow, so we got to get those updated. These are also very cheap. I think I spent like $10 on these bulbs. I'm trying to save money everywhere I can right now, so that was a good purchase. So the only thing that's weird about these bulbs is that the ones that I've used always have a fan on the back, and these don't. So that's new for me. All right, I gotta reach down in here, and I've got the bulb. We're gonna turn. Yeah, this is harder than I thought. Ow. There we go. All right, got the bulb out. So we're gonna pop this out. Okay. Plug it right in and put it back into the hole where you found it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks 10 times better. So actually the fog light matches up with the headlights perfectly, like the color. See how this one's all yellow and this one's like bluish? So perfect. Let's get the other side installed.
Turn counterclockwise There's a bulb down here. Oh, damn, the thing got hot just for those few seconds. I was... Alright. There's the old bulb. No, Papa, you gotta burn yourself. No. Oh, man, he just touched the damn thing. That was hot. You gotta burn yourself. Alright, there's that. Put it back in the hole.
Yeah, that's 10 times better. That looks really good. Now let's get these fixed up here. So this should be pretty simple. It's just one little bolt and the light should pop right out. Alright, now, so we gotta reach in here. I see the clips. Very similar to the front is. You just gotta pull these clips out. Very similar process. We're gonna take this out, take the bulb out, put it in here, and we got the other one right here. Plug this baby in. Woo! Oh, that looks so good. These lights right there, those things look so out of date. And come on, the lights from there. I know there's some lights down by your feet. I'm not too concerned about that. I'm really just trying to change what is more visible. So let's get these out. All right, now this is pretty simple. You just you get yourself a screwdriver and you pry out the little box. Then you can just disconnect it because that thing is going to be really hot. All right, there we go. One box out. Screwdriver to pop the little harness out, and there we go. That's a little box. So we got this metal bracket here, and lift and remove. You could just squeeze in here and the light should fall out just like that. All right, so we're gonna place the hook in there, and that's it. Easy peasy. And I'm gonna put this back on, and that's it. Now if I connect this, it should light up. Bam. Done. Done deal. Now we're just gonna basically do what we did, but in reverse. Put the harness into the car, the light in, and bam. There we go. Put the harness back in on this side, and voila. Easiest LED swap ever. Gonna stick my screwdriver in here, pop these covers right out. Easy peasy. I got both of the covers off, and note to self, do not try and take those off with your hands. Holy shit, they're very hot and only getting hotter. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna take these off. All right, and there we go. Not bad for a cheap bag of LED bulbs from eBay that I bought for $5. I bought this thing like 3 years ago, and every once in a while I'll come in here and I'll grab a couple bulbs and see what's good. All right. God damn it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the foot ones too. I'll be right back. And there we go. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I did it. Those lights look really good. Got full LED interior with the cargo lights. Ah, damn it. I knew I forgot something. The license plate lights. I'll be right back. Now we have everything LED. Alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. That's how you LED everything on a C6 Corvette. Time for me to wash up and spend some time with the kiddos. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Later.